Okay,
One, two, three.
following evening.
So, du wolltest da Ausdruck. Wenn man sagt, okay.
Following evening, I went to bed, feeling fine. And all that we talked about and all the plans that we had. But when I woke up, I found you there in the bed. With your head underwater, the world stopped turning.
It's gonna be a little bit loud now. This is the crescendo part. Okay, so put it down. Push that all the way, and then we put it up again.
It also sounds different because you have cement behind you.
That's as loud as I think you mostly hear it from here, actually, from my monitor.
So next part, when I
Next
start.
part, yeah.
Controlled bursts are okay.
Yeah, that's good.
One, two.
Here comes the loudest part. That's kind of like the loudest part. Yeah? It's okay? Great. Awesome.
Can't stop smiling.
So, we don't need anything else, right? No? Great.
We're ready. Sound is so far okay.
I lost my...
Bass, you hear everything? Turn on the bar.
Oh, here. I bought the wrong one. I lost the first one. And then I bought the wrong one. This is the one you put in.
1:30,
Yeah, but it's the one that...
and we're not driving too fast.
When I select
We're not driving too slow either. We got a six-pack of beer in the car, a few joints, and we just listen to the radio and drive out to the old woodland. To nature. Dig it? Well, I want to tell you people about something I know. Money beats soul. Every time. Come on.
Jacket. What's it with the car? What's it with the car? On the trash can. Okay.
Taksi vidjela.
Thank you.